Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I finally finished the FRS and I'm gonna be showing you guys what it looks like. So let's get it. So this is the completed FRS, or for now completed. See, I got the vented hood, the Spec D headlights, the bumper, everything's wrapped, pine green metallic. I plasti dipped the rim. And then I went and wrapped the hood. I mean, not the hood, I wrapped the trunk black with the ducktail. So it's pretty much still stock right now, except for the fancy hood and the fancy wrap. And the inside, everything's stock on the inside. It's pretty good. Drives nice. And I mean, that's pretty much it to show you guys. Right now, I plan on going wide body eventually. I have bought a wide body kit for the car, but it was a rep kit and the fitment was awful. So I just decided to hit up the guy who sold it to me and I returned it to him. And then, so I'm just gonna run it stock for now. And eventually, I don't know if I might just go ahead and sell it and get myself, try to rebuild another FRS, or if I might get into the 370Z or something else. There she is, what a beautiful, beautiful car. Alright guys, so this is the startup of my FRS. And there's like one thing I don't like about it is every time I start it up, I don't know if you guys can hear that, but there's always like a clacking sound. There's always like a clacking sound, and it's only for like a few seconds. It's like clack, 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 like a clacking sound, and then it goes away. And I did some research, and it's like apparently the vacuum pump could be faulty on this car. I'm not too sure. And also the crickets are annoying. So apparently the high pressure fuel pump of this car comes with a defect, and it makes like crickets or like a chirping sound. And it's really fucking annoying. Like, I'm not gonna lie, like I want to replace it, but it's out of warranty because it's over 60,000 miles. It has like 63,000 on it, and the pressure fuel pump itself is over $1,000, just the new fuel pump. And the guy that had it before me, I guess he didn't go to the dealer and get it warrantied out because it's still messed up. So I'm gonna try to find a fuel pump for this car so it can stop making the crickets and then the little clicking noise in the beginning. I need to get a vacuum pump for it, so I need to go ahead and do that. But overall, I have no complaints about this car. Just those are the only two things. It's a really fun drive. I get lots of head turns every single day. I see people breaking their necks trying to look at my car and everything. Everyone compliments me. Oh, nice car. What color is it? What kind of car is that? Blah 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 blah. But it's a really good car. Let's go for a drive.
Call back, yeah, it's me, I know. I've been so gone since when we last spoke. Don't know what we did since when we last spoke. I'm book of love, it's a fantasy. You know I like it when you're mad at me. I know you with it, baby, when I can't. I know you with it, but you calling me. Yo sé tu gallo, mami, tú eres mi boya. You like it, baby.
Chubby got the recipe. Chubby got the recipe.
Alright guys, and that's pretty much it for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe, and I will be uploading more videos soon. Stay tuned. Let's get it.